Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch or would like to purchase at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Panerai Luminor Equation of Time GMT Titanium reference PAM00670. It's a boutique exclusive in blue and made of titanium, 47 millimeter. I'll tell you a little bit about the history, then tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement and also how it works, because there's kind of a bit to unfold and not immediately clear. That's probably why you're watching this video, and maybe you want to buy it. And I'll tell you where you can buy it also at jazztime.com. So let's begin, starting with just a little bit of history. This equation of time. Now, Panerai is one of the few companies, actually, to be quite honest, they're the only company that I know of that is doing an equation of time. I don't think anyone else is doing it, at least that I know of. So it's a very special complication. Now, of course, there's many complications. Well, I shouldn't say many. There are a handful of complications that are used over and over, such as a tourbillon, a chronograph, GMT, minute repeater. That's perpetual calendar, annual calendar, etc. Okay, so there's some things that are used kind of often. It's a handful, not a lot, but there's some. And then there's also this one, the equation of time, which nobody does. And probably because, to be quite honest, it doesn't really have any use, to be honest. But, then again, what is the use of a watch anyways? I mean, other than telling time, I mean, I'm not so sure these complications do a whole lot anyways. So anyhow, let's start talking about this watch. Now, the equation of time has come out, and they've gone through several variations. The latest one is what you're looking at right here, with the PAM670. And what makes it special is, well, let's start the review and find out. So this watch was released in 2020. It's now 2025. Maybe they'll make some new variations of it later on, but currently this is the latest one. So let's start with the case. Now, the case is 47 millimeters. Now, you're probably thinking that's pretty large, and you would not be wrong about that. The lug to lug, however, is 57 millimeters. So yes, it is a large watch, no doubt about it. It's probably going to cover most people's entire wrist, because it is a big watch. But look, Panerai is meant to be worn as a big watch, so that's not necessarily a bad thing. And this watch has quite a bit of complications and a lot of stuff on the dial, so they had to make it kind of big to fit all that stuff. Okay, now looking at the case, it has your typical Luminor case, cushion case with this kind of lugs, uh, big, strong, beefy lugs. They actually kind of look like Oolong and Zuna lugs as well. But anyways, it has a Luminor case on it, and even though it's a big watch, it's 47 millimeters. They decided to make this watch in titanium because, as you can imagine, being a big watch and also having it in titanium would be better than not, because it would be very heavy if it wasn't steel. So they made it in titanium. Okay, now with that said, let's look at the dial. Here's the part to unpack here that probably most people want to watching this video are trying to figure out. What does it do? What is all this stuff on here? Okay, well, first let's start with well, let's start with a GMT hand. The GMT hand is a hand that tells you a second time zone. So you can tell the time zone, I don't know, if you're living in America and Europe or wherever, and it goes around once every 12 hours, just like uh, just like another time zone. Okay. And but the only thing is you won't be able to tell if it's a night or day, I guess, over on the other side. But you do have an AM PM indicator here. I forgot to mention that. On the 9 o'clock position, it's a running second hand, and then you see this little tiny arrow. When it's AM, then it's pointing at the AM, and then well, when it's PM, I guess after 6 p.m., then it goes over to the other side. 9 p.m. that would be actually, it would go to the other side. So it can indicate whether it's a 9 a.m. or p.m. I think that's kind of cool. Okay, and then on the right-hand side, the sub counter is counting the months. So one tick for each month that goes January to December. And then you have the date 1 through 31 at the 4 o'clock position, which is also pretty cool. I kind of wish they would have a Monday through Friday. I guess that would be kind of nice, but that's okay. Okay, so now on to the next part, which is the name of this watch, equation of time. Now you see it says plus 15 and minus 15. Now what is that for? Okay, I had to do a little research myself because actually I didn't know what it was, but now I do. I'm not sure I understand it entirely, but I'm gonna try my best to explain it without giving you some mumbo jumbo. The Earth goes around the sun, and it has a non-circular pattern to it. It has an elliptical, and that just means that it's closer on one side than it is on another. So it's not exactly circular, and as a result, the day and night time, uh, uh, actually, when the day, and that means that the if it doesn't go around circular, that means that each day is not exactly 24 hours. Some days it's 15 plus 15 minutes, some days it's minus 15 minutes, or somewhere in between. And that's just as a result of the orbit not being entirely circular, which actually makes sense to me. Now, what does it mean practically? Probably not much, if not probably nothing. But as I read, it kind of has something to do with those who are in um, on ships, I guess. You have to know the solar time as opposed to the actual time. I'm not so sure how that true that is, but as I said, it doesn't have to be a necessarily useful complication to be a cool complication. Plenty of things are cool and not useful, such as race cars or watches, for that matter, or many things actually in life are very beautiful, very fun, very interesting, but totally useless. Okay. Anyways, I'm not saying it's totally useless, but for the most part it is. But anyways, it can tell you this cool complication, which is equation of time. Okay, that's that. Let's move on here to the strap. Strap is your typical Panerai crocodile strap in blue. And of course, I forgot to mention that the dial is blue. I mean, who doesn't like a blue dial on titanium? That's your prototypical cool watch. And the strap is no different. Now, of course, you can change the strap out to whatever you like. Panerai is known for that. And you can also change the actually the buckle is what it is. It's just a pin buckle. That's kind of nice. And what else? Let's look at the movement here. Now, here's some cool things about the movement. The movement actually has 3 freaking barrels. That's a lot of barrels. Why is that? So that it can have an 8-day power reserve. Now, I'm just wondering, like, why do they decide to put so many barrels in this watch so that it can have such a big power reserve? I don't know, but it is pretty cool because to be honest, I have picked up my watch before after a day or two or 3, and it's not working anymore. So this one will actually be running for literally 8 days. It's pretty cool, and it actually has the power indicator on the back so that you can see it and tell how many days left. Pretty interesting. I think it's a pretty cool thing. And this is your typical Panerai movement. It does have it is an in-house movement, so that is pretty cool. And it has 328 parts. I would actually have thought it had more, but 328 parts, it's a nice number of parts. Enough to tell you the date, a GMT, and this really interesting equation of time. Okay? More of a cool thing, novelty than anything else, but nonetheless. Okay, so I guess, does that bring us to the end? Yeah, it does. Okay, time to try this watch on my wrist and give my thoughts. Now, I'm a big Panerai fan. I love that you can instantly recognize the shape and look of this watch without seeing even the name of it. And also, I just really like that the dial color, and I like watches that are really complicated. So when this watch has all this stuff on it, it just makes the watch look much more cool, interesting, and even if it's not telling you something totally useful, it is still a really cool factor. So for that reason, I'm definitely going to give it 2 thumbs up. And if you like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazzdime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.